In today's video, I'm going to teach you Kimi versus ChatGPT, which is better at reasoning. When people compare AI tools, reasoning is one of the most important things to look at. In simple terms, reasoning is how well a model can break down a difficult question, think through the words, and arrive at a useful answer. In this comparison, both Kimi and ChatGPT are capable reasoning models, but they tend to shine in different situations. Kimi is widely recognized for strong analytical performance, especially when working with long contexted tasks. That means it can be very helpful when you need the model to process large amounts of information and keep track of details across a long conversation or a lengthy document. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is especially strong at multi-step reasoning, problem-solving, and complex decision-making. It is often very effective at taking a challenging question and turning it into a logical sequence of steps that are easier to understand. Both models can break down difficult questions into clear reasoning steps, but performance can vary depending on the task you give them and the specific version of the model being used. A useful way to test this is with a prompt like, "Solve this business case study step by step and explain your reasoning." Prompts like this reveal not only the final answer, but also how clearly the model thinks through the problem. When it comes to complex problems, ChatGPT generally performs very well in coding, mathematics, and structured reasoning tasks. Kimi is often praised for handling very large documents and maintaining context over lengthy exchanges. Both models can analyze scenarios, compare options, and generate detailed explanations, but the quality of the output improves a lot when your prompt is clear and specific. For example, you might ask, "Analyze the pros and cons of launching a subscription-based software business." A detailed prompt like that gives the model a stronger foundation for reasoning. In terms of accuracy and explanations, ChatGPT often provides more detailed educational breakdowns, which can be especially useful for learning and decision-making. Kimi can still be very effective, particularly when the task involves extensive research material or document-heavy analysis. At the same time, it is important to remember that both models can occasionally make mistakes, so fact-checking is always a smart habit. You can also improve results by asking follow-up questions, such as, "Explain your reasoning process and identify any assumptions you made." So, which is better at reasoning? For advanced problem-solving, coding, business analysis, and learning support, ChatGPT is often the preferred choice. Kimi stands out when handling very large amounts of text and document analysis. Overall, both are strong reasoning tools, but for most users, ChatGPT offers the more versatile reasoning experience across a wider range of tasks and industries.